This is the final part of the burrito series.
Well, quick update on the burritos. I fried them. They turned out absolutely perfect. Spongy, movable, stretchy. Now I'm going to quickly make a burrito. Okay, so first thing is chuck on some mince. Okay, the mince is a little bit cold, but I'll microwave that because that's just how I roll. We are having to finish this because this is the last of our burritos, and I did forget to make the video of everything else. I just ate them. So literally looking at the last of the burritos. Ricky's having a tiny one here. Can I do you some mince?
Yes, please.
So,
Lots of mince.
do Ricky loads of mince. Okay, so I've got the mince on. Next, a little bit of chili, because I do like a little bit of chili on my burrito. Okay, this one's extra hot, so I don't put too much on. Bit of salt, missed a bit of salt and a bit of pepper, because, well, yeah, what's chili without a bit of pepper? You got to get your multi-burn on. Yeah. And come on, cheese. Yeah, put that on. Make sure it goes all over the chili because that chili is really hot. And you want it to be cooled by a little bit of this awesome cheese. Mix of mozzarella and cheddar. And then I'll chuck that in the microwave. See you in a bit. And like magic, the cheese is melted. So I got a bit of salsa, and I'll chuck a bit of onion on because I'm feeling oniony. Tomato, because there's tomato. Corn and peppers. Well, actually, I just like all this stuff. Can I finish it?
Yeah.
So I'll just finish all the salsa, chuck it all on there. Mix it into the cheese a little, help cool it down. Add the white sauce because, well, white sauce is yum. And there we go. This is too packed to fold. So let's see how we do it. So fold in from this side. Fold in from this side. And then, well, this ain't gonna work. That is the next thing. You should...
Not overstuff you.
Don't overstuff it. Okay, so there we go. Beautiful burrito. And perfectly made. Look at that. Okay, stop the camera. Well, I finally got it to a size that I can actually pick it up and eat it the way it's supposed to be with your hands. So that's what I'm going to do. I had to knife and fork it embarrassingly, but this is where we are. So, guys, thanks for joining, and here's a burrito.